Hi friends! We're back with more of our unicorn purse. We're going to jump right in to see what we'll be working on. Ooh! We have to use clues to discover the unicorn's favorite underwater creature. But of course we have to add in our stickers first. We've got a little fishy. And this one's a pufferfish. Awesome! And a little seahorse. How cute! Now let's read our clues. The first clue is it is red. So we know it's got to be something red. Number 2, it isn't swimming. Well, it can't be any of the red fish swimming. Our final clue is it has pinchers. It's got to be the lobster. Good job! Now, our next page, we have to find the pair of narwhals. And which one doesn't have a partner? So let's add in our stickers first, of course. I just love adding in the stickers. It's so fun to see what everything's gonna look like. A shell, a crab, cute! Great! Now that we're done stickering, let's look for some pairs. Let's start with the blue one. Do you see a match? Yeah, there it is. And how about this gray one? There it is! They have donuts on their horns. How silly! And how about the pink one? That's right! They both have 2 green bracelets on. And the green one? There it is! And of course orange! There's the matches! And the pink one! Yep, there it is! So that leaves the narwhal eating a donut! That's so silly. Let's go to the next page. Ooh, this one we have to circle the one that's different in each row, and we're going to add our stickers, of course. So we've got unicorns and rhinos. Which one doesn't belong? The rhino, of course. And then we've got 4 pieces of candy and an avocado. It's the avocado. And we've got some castles and a sand castle. It's the sand castle that doesn't belong. And then we've got 4 rainbows and a sun. The sun doesn't match. Great job. Now we're on to our final page of the day. This one's party time. We're going to use color and stickers to make the cake match. First, we're going to add some candles to the top of the cake. Do you see how many candles there are? There's 5. That's right. Now we're going to add some more stickers to the cake, and these ones look like little gumdrops or candies. How awesome! And we're also adding some balloons. Yay, I love it! Now let's get to coloring, and we're going to start with the top of the cake and work our way down. We're using a pretty blue for the icing on top. Yum! Now let's color in our hearts on the cake. How many hearts are there? There's 3 in this spot, and we colored them pink and green. Cool! Now we're going to fill in some more icing. This cake is sure looking yummy. So for some more icing, we used a gray color and a red color. And now we're going to fill in our stars, and we're filling those in with purple. And can you see how many there are? There's 4 stars. And now we have some more hearts to fill in. Ooh, so cute. There's 4 hearts, and they're orange and teal. Awesome. And now we get to color our cake. And it's gonna be yellow, just like the picture. I wonder what this cake would taste like in real life. I bet it would be so yummy. I bet I could eat the whole thing. Have you ever had a birthday cake with so many colors and pretty things decorated on it? Oh, I sure would love that. Woo! That was a lot of work making our cakes match, but we did it! It looks so good! And now we're going to color in our unicorn, and we're going to use all different kinds of blues to color our unicorn. Let's go! we get to do is see how many balloons we can count. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 balloons. Great job counting. Now we're going to move on to a craft that came in the book. This is a puzzle, and we're just going to punch out the pieces, and then we're going to do our puzzle. Let's go! Ooh, this is a fun puzzle to put together, but it's kind of hard. Where do all the pieces go? It looks like we've got a hot air balloon, and I think that hot air balloon has a unicorn in the basket, and a fairy flying along with it. How cute! What else can we see in our picture? The hot air balloon actually has 2 unicorns in it. That's so silly. And it looks like we have some more fairies flying around. Oh, I love it. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!